Good morning. On my daily quest for sunlight this morning. Got some beautiful sunshine. Feels good in the eyes. Um, I've noticed the past couple days I've really been struggling on like what to talk about these morning videos, and I think I need to like actually get more intentional or something. I don't know. Anyway, a couple small things. One was I've been actually making some pretty good progress on my software algorithm that I'm working on, and did this. So I have this algorithm that has like 8 different parameters, and each have their own parameters, as in like 8 different functions, and each have their own different weights. And I started using this tool, I guess, or package called Optuna, and it basically optimizes, like, you have to define what your output should be, but it will like run a bunch of trials on your parameters and your functions and find the optimal weights that lead to your ideal outcome. And it's actually working, which is like just blowing my mind. Um, so anyway, that's been fun. But I've noticed that like yesterday was a really good work session of just like making forward progress, and I almost sat down to continue working like during after lunch, but I didn't. And that's been happening lately, and I have like mixed feelings about it. It's like I I feel this I feel this insecurity that I'm just not working enough in order to produce what I'm trying to produce, like what my objective is basically. But at the same time, I don't know, I'm finding this really interesting balance of the amount of work that I'm putting in, just like 3 to 4 hours, 3.5 to 4 hours is this optimal time where every morning I feel motivated to continue working, and I don't feel like burnt out, or because there are many days where like I'll work like really focused deep work session in the morning and then continue in the afternoon, and I just feel so drained that the next day I'm like, oh, like I have to do this again. And I don't know. I don't know. Only time will tell. See, I keep having these thoughts like I was gonna finish that sentence as if like if it'll work out. But last night I was thinking about this and I was like, what if I just believe that it will work out? You know? Like it will work out. Like I will do this. Like it's not a question. It's not a question of if it'll work out. You know? So maybe I'll try some of that. But anyway, um, the other thing I will share is that I have been finding this tool that I'm building actually quite cool. The part of it that I'm working on right now is finding other creators in your niche, like discovering and uncovering all of the other creators that are in your niche. And I've started shifting it more towards actually doing it for me. You know, the past couple weeks, I've been like looking at other people and using other examples. But I finally just like bit the bullet, and I was like, all right, I'm gonna do this on my channel handle. And so I've been like really sinking my teeth into like who's in my niche and trying to find other creators and trying to figure out like what's the right answer here. And it's actually been cool. And I've been finding a lot of other small creators and even big creators that I have literally never heard of. But some are like, you know, have a lot of subscribers, which is kind of cool. But the problem is that a cool thing does not directly, you know, equal money. And so, you know, I gotta figure out how to package this thing up. So, and at some point I need to balance this MVP line of, you know, how good is enough, and at what point do I just like call it and ship it out and build a website around it, you know? So I'm still finding that line, but I'm at the point where like I'm making actual tangible progress with each day and with each change. Sorry for the wind. I don't know how much you can hear. And so for now, I think we just continue. But, you know, all of those thoughts are coming in my mind of like, oh, you know, are you over optimizing this? Like, this should be an MVP, like, get it out. So, I don't know. But I feel pretty good. About this. Well, I mean, I have my doubts, but as you can hear. But I think it'll work out. See you tomorrow. Bye.